I've gotten logged into TrackmySightWords.com. I can add my students to my roster by clicking the edit button. Once I get to here, I can type in all of my students' names and they'll be added to my list. If I want to edit a student's name because I made a mistake, I can go here and type in the new student name that I'd like for that student. I can add my word list by clicking on the Add Word List button. Type in the name of the word list, and then I can either type in my words to this word list, or if I have a list of these words, I can just copy and paste that list as long as they're separated by a comma, a space, or a new line. And then it'll create my list. I can edit this list and add words or get rid of words by clicking edit, getting rid of the words by clicking garbage can, and adding any words to my list by typing it in there. Right. Just to show the way these lists can look differently. These ones will all be separated by a new line. And it should still work out fine. Okay. The reason for having those into my list is so that now these lists are added to my dashboard for each of my students. Once a student has taken one of these assessments, their max score that they've ever taken on this assessment will show up right here. And the last time they attempted, the date will show up right here. Now if I want to assess this list, I just click Assess This List, choose my student, and the list will start to be fed in through these flashcards. Now as the student reads the word, I can either click Correct or Incorrect, and I can toggle through the words here. I can tell which words have been correct, because once I see them, they'll have a green check mark next to them. If they got it incorrect, they'll have a red X next to them. So I can keep track of which words I've been to and which words I haven't been to. So I would go through, and the students would read the words as I toggle through. And then when they're done, I click Submit Assessment. It'll give me the score correct out of the total number of words on the list. I can click Submit Assessment. Now when I go to Amanda, her max score so far on this assessment is 18 out of 100. Last time she took it is this date. And if I want to know which words she needs to practice, I can click Words to Learn, and the words that were marked incorrect on her last assessment will be pulled up. It will not pull up words that were not assessed, either correct or incorrect, only the words that are incorrect.